All right, so we at the park, about to walk the trail. I didn't take my wig off because I already had it on all day. It's not morning time, it's like 3 p.m. So, am I bothering you? So, I didn't,
You should take your wig off.
I don't have nothing to keep my keys in. Or my phone.
Oh, Mama, no. Look, you can take me over here to drive.
No, because people's cars be over here. I didn't.
Cars?
Damn, I forgot what I was saying. But, oh, I got to take my keys off here because I don't like carrying all this. And then my phone. I didn't bring no. I'm just like unprepared today. Like, this shit is about to piss me off. I haven't ate nothing today yet.
Ice cream and that cheese.
Dairy Queen eating ass. Okay, so I got my
I like that.
key fob, if I can get it on. I got my key fob off. And you know, we need some music, so I'm about to put my AirPods in.
Oh, you know.
What? No, this is your shit. You need to clean my car out.
I haven't been in this car in like 2 days.
Oh my god. Okay, so I'm about to say I need my phone, but my phone right here. Okay, you got pockets?
And they deep. Pockets are deep.
Don't drop my shit, nigga. Hey y'all, so I'm at Bath and Body Works, as y'all can see in the background, and I'm about to go in here and get I don't know what I came in here to get, but I have a coupon that I'm gonna use, because you know you cannot go into Bath and Body Works without no coupon. So I have a coupon that says free body care gift, and then 20% off your entire purchase. And then something about an exclusive preview or some shit. But that's in May, between May 5th and May 6th. But I'm gonna go here and see what they got. And it was this candle thing, not a candle, but a plug-in thing that my mom was talking about. So I'm gonna see if I can get that for her. And then I really don't plan on getting much out of here, because Bath and Body Works, they be trying to tax you, you know. Ain't nobody got time for that. And I'm kind of like over their candles, because I feel like they just burn so fucking fast. Like, I love their scent. When it comes to scents, they shit is, you know, the bomb. But when it comes to long lasting, I like to burn my candles for a long time. So I shouldn't have to burn it for an hour and then be like, ooh, let me blow it out, because, you know, I got this lip gloss on. But all right, let's go up in here. And it's raining. Like, you know.
Okay, let me put this in here.
Like summertime scent.
We're ready. We're ready.
Yeah.
Okay. Confetti baby.
Oh, they all smell good.
Confetti is amazing too, sis. So that's probably the best since we've had in a while.
Okay.
It's fun to have.
People are trying to come up in here spending a whole bunch, you know. But I don't see it. But once she was talking about, it's a bling one. All right, so I am leaving. I don't know how my face just feel. Whenever I, oh, is that my car sounding like that? Oh no, that ain't my car. Screeching like that, you got me fucked up. But anyway, I'm leaving Bath and Body Works, and I didn't really do bad. I only spent $55, so I'm Gucci. Whenever I wear the damn mask, I feel like my face just be sweating, cause that, ooh, girl. I can't wait till this shit is over. Like, the mask mandate has been lifted, but it has been lifted, but of course stores, when you go into stores, you still gotta wear it. And I keep forgetting to bring that freaking Marshalls bag because I need to return that. I don't even think I showed y'all, but I bought this what's the Mr. things? It's missed out the essential oils. Diffuser. Yeah, I think it's a diffuser. I ordered a diffuser. I mean, I didn't order one. I went to Marshalls and got one. It was like $14, but it's like cheaply fucking made. That shit is plastic as fuck. It don't work. And I want my money back, or at least want to find a different one. I know nobody was looking at me because, bitch, if cars are coming, how the fuck can I go? But I don't think they was looking at me. But anyway, I bought the fucking diffuser thing, and point blank, it don't fucking work. And I want to at least get a better one. I was looking on Amazon at better ones, but you know how you want to read the reviews and shit like that. It takes fucking forever for me to do that. And I have a one, like, depending on what it is, sometimes I have a one-track mind. Sometimes I when I'm looking online, even when I be looking at Fashion Nova and shit, like, it's like I be having stuff all in my cart, and then I just start doing something else, and then I fucking forget, and then by the time I go back to my cart, it be like, this is sold out or not in your size and shit like that. I be mad. But I really haven't been finding nothing cute on Fashion Nova. Like, seriously, all these people been doing hauls and stuff, and it's like has not been inspiring me. And if I do actually find something like in a haul that somebody do, not just Fashion Nova haul, it be sold out so fucking fast. That shit really pisses me off. It's like when I actually want to buy clothes, I can't find shit. But then when I'm on a budget and I'm not buying clothes, that's when I see all the cute shit. Or the stuff that I do see, they don't have my size available, or I'm like so mad. Y'all, I'm in Five Below. They got the reusable straws. I think I'm gonna get some. I really hate these straws because shit be getting inside of them, but they got this cleaner with it, and it's only $3.25. Oh, and I got these weights. They 4 pounds. You would think 4 pounds not, you know, heavy, but shit, these bitches heavy. So I think I'm gonna get these straws. What's silicone? I think I'm gonna get these ones. Yeah. This one. And you got tumblers and stuff. This is how they work on stuff right here. I want to get that sauna suit. Oh shit, y'all can't see. That sauna suit, but it say large, extra large, and y'all know damn well I ain't no damn large. I really just want to wear the top part though. Oh, it say it fits waist 42 inch to 50 inch. But I don't want to take a chance. I don't know. They got ankle weights. Y'all know my fat ass be trying to run or jog. And they got a lot of these cups. I don't know. Let me just stick with what I got. Because I'm trying to do the most sometimes. I don't want that kind. I want to try a different kind. Ooh, Stella Rosa pineapple.
So I'll give you suggestions.
And try to broaden my horizons. Yeah, but I'm looking for some wine to get. But I don't want a red one. I like red wine, but I don't want it. Oh yeah, I think I've seen it. The 19 Crimes. Any, mini, money, mo. Catch a tiger by his toe. If he holler, let him go. Any, mini, money, mo. Okay, we're gonna do pineapple this time. Okay. But this one I got in my basket so far. I always at Target because I always forget shit because I don't make a fucking list. These ones okay. They taste like bugles.
Yeah, those.
Come on, get the chips.
How many? Just one?
Get two. They two for $6. And you know you eat one bag a plate. I'm trying not to get no snacks, okay? But I'm making nachos tonight, so. This is what I look like today, y'all. Don't clock my wig, okay? But I just threw it on. No, I'm really over cashews. Like, that's why diets don't work for me, because I get tired of eating the same shit.
Oh, this says Route 21.
They got this shirt, but what?
I was laughing at something else.
Stop
What
playing
is
with
he
me.
doing?
Don't talk to me like that. This, I think I seen this shirt on Fashion Nova, but Fashion Nova want like $20 fucking for it.
Huh?
So, I might just get it from here. You know how they get it. Of course, I'm from the West Coast. Gotta represent. Boy, shut up. Can you back up?
Oh, this is... I found it here. It's another one over there.
This the fit for the...
Oh, what are you doing? That shit...
This the fit for the day. Yeah.
Don't even match. You got 3 different browns in them.
First of all, there's
Dark brown.
dark brown, baby.
But that don't match with those, and that don't match with that.
First of all, you don't have to. It's
No
kind of
blue.
monochromatic. You don't have to match. That blue don't match that. That don't match that.
What did you...
you
This is
talking
not
about?
an accessory. This is a match, not an accessory. Accessory. There's something I wear.
Can you get out of my way?
It say Dookie.
Why would you want to wear that?
Funny.
Anyway, I'm trying to show y'all the shirt and he fucking with me.
Yeah, seen that shirt. I got the love this shirt. Saw this movie.
This the shirt. Anyway. Is it cute?
No, I got that same one.
When you got it?
When the Route 21, remember?
Okay, I think I'm gonna get this shirt.
This shirt, athlete, athletic.
I'm pretty sure this is my size because I'm humongous. But I want the Aaliyah shirt. This is the shirt I really want. That shirt, but I don't see it. I don't fucking see it.
You don't have it. What is that, a Tupac shirt? Mom?
Ooh, Tupac. Ooh, Tupac. What movie that's off of?
I feel that. Oh wait, it's off of
Friday After Next.
No, you didn't even give me a chance to answer.
You said 80 times.
You wasn't letting me think.
Toy Story. Remember they go to that little arcade place? Nigga, you don't know nothing.
I don't watch kids' TV movies, whatever.
Say that one more time for the camera.
Huh?
So you're not a kid? Okay.
No.
So I'm not gonna treat you like one, okay? I should take a picture, you know. All right, so we back from Targét. I always gotta get tied with Downy. And then y'all see when I went to 5 and Below, I got the reusable straws. And then, oh shit. And then I have bought some of these suckers. Because I don't fucking need them, but these farm suckers. And then I bought the 4-pound weight. So I saw that. Oh. The Ice Cube shirt in there. And then I got these heavy duty Swiffer things because my house gets so freaking dusty so fast. That shit is annoying as fuck. I finally got some more freaking Windex or Sprayway. Because every time I would go to the store, I would forget. Then I have the Bath and Body Works club, but I wanted to try the Febreze because I feel like, I don't know, the Bath and Body Works one's gonna be working. Like, I'm trying to feel like Bath and Body Works is overrated unless you get their body spray. And then y'all see me get the Stella Rosa Peach. Got some Doritos, some ice cream, and shit like that. But all this was $100. What the fuck? Maybe because this was $20. So,
That tea.
huh?
That tea. How much was the tea?
The tea only $5. Oh, I got some green tea. But this was $20, and then the wine was $10, so that's $30 right there. So I feel like everything else. This is only $4.99. So I guess that's a good amount. I guess. Oh, I got some ground beef to make the nachos. 93% lean.
Where's my teeth?
It's kind of warm up here. Probably because, I don't know, this light. My face not shiny, it just looks super shiny. Let me take this damn sweater off.